This is pretty dirty. It looks like it's been left outside for a long time. So it's not in great condition, but it'll look better when I'm finished. First step is cleaning it really well. I have this Dawn Power Wash bottle that I just keep refilling with soap because I like the way it sprays. I'm going to clean it really, really well, get it ready and prepped for paint. I'm switching to a simple green cleaner because it's way dirtier than I had expected. So I need something that cuts through all of this dirt. Really nasty. Two buckets of filthy water later. I'm going to wipe everything down with some clean water. This laminate is not repairable. I'm just going to scuff sand this with a 60 grit sandpaper so I can prep it for paint. I think while I was cleaning it, a lot of that old finish came off, which completely changed my whole design on this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the rest of the old finish and sanding off the small little bit that is left with some 120 grit sandpaper. I'm going to use this Varathane pre-wood conditioner and apply this to all of the wood prior to staining it. This will just help the wood accept the stain more evenly. I apply it with a rag and then I am going to wait approximately 5 minutes and then wipe off the excess. Once the wood conditioner is completely dry, I can move on to my next step. I'm using Rust-Oleum brand dark walnut to stain it. Because this laminate top is in poor condition and I'm unable to repair it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint the laminate. I'm using this Dixie Belle color called Sawmill Gravy and applying a good thick coat to the entire top. I'm going to try something called the ragging technique on this piece. So basically I'm just going to take a rag, balling it up and crumpling it up. I'm going to get it wet and then I'm going to dip it into some various paint colors, then tap it and dab it all over the top of this base coat that I've already applied. One thing I did find out immediately, it's important to wait for your base coat to dry completely before you start doing your ragging technique. I ended up removing a lot of the paint and creating a texture. So I repainted it, I waited for it to dry again, and then I started all over. And it was important to wait for that base coat to dry. One other thing that worked well was misting the surface that I was working on. I kept misting the surface of the table with water to keep it wet and then dipping my rag into the wet paint. And basically what this technique does is it just deposits the paint in random consistencies, simulating the look of stone or granite. I chose to use only one color of paint, but you could also use multiple colors of paint to change the look completely. Once dried, I applied 2 coats of Varathane triple thick polyurethane. And then I also sprayed the existing knob with some Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint, and I sealed all of the wood with Fusion hemp oil. I applied it, I waited approximately 30 minutes, and then I wiped off any excess. Let's have a quick look at the before I show you the final reveal. This thing was pretty gunky and gross, but I'm pleased with the final results. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is there anything that you would have done differently with this piece? I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. And if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed content like this, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way you are alerted when I post future content. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have an excellent day. Bye.